Thank you for purchasing your SmartCap StowAway Table. This video is designed to help you properly assemble and install your new table, ensuring the ultimate in performance. Please carefully follow these instructions to avoid damage to the table or your truck. Installation is quite simple. We recommend 2 people do the job, and all you will need is a 5mm Allen wrench. First, unpack all components and hardware from the packaging. Remove the table from the bracket and set it aside. Making sure the drop-down side of the bracket is facing the tailgate, position the bracket in place on the ceiling of the SmartCap. With the bracket in its lowered position, align the first slot with the first riv nut installed on the roof of the cap. Insert an M8 button head screw, spring lock washer, and flat washer, and hand tighten. Repeat this process for the remaining 7 riv nuts. There are 4 on the left side and 4 on the right. Once all the hand-tightened hardware is in place, slide the bracket towards the tailgate as far as it will go. Then, using the 5mm Allen wrench, firmly fasten the screws. Finally, with the flat side of the table facing downwards, slide the table into the bracket. Close the bracket by pushing upwards as far as it can go, and then pull it towards you until it clicks into place. Finally, to engage the latch mechanism pin, simply pull the lever down and to the right. There you have it. Your new StowAway table is now fully installed and ready for action. Should you have any questions or concerns, do not hesitate to contact us. SmartCap.